Good morning, guys. Good day. Good car life. I don't know, what am I saying? The car life journey. As you can see, it's snowing today. It's just crazy. I didn't think it ever snowed in this freaking place. I just thought it like cold rained or whatever. Got my first Doordash order. My area wasn't busy today, so, or like when I want to jump on, which is weird because it's snowing and it's, you know, almost lunchtime, so freaking weird. But yeah, what the heck, snowstorm. It's like a severe snowstorm. It's supposed to be like what is it, 5 inches or something like that. It's like, what the heck, I've never experienced, like, it barely even rains here, let alone like snow. It's just weird. But yeah, I got Doordash so far going, and yeah, gonna get to it in this weather if I can handle it. I have some ball tires, or not ball tires, just crappy tires. Oh, I don't have the right shoes for this, or the right wipers. These things are freaking loud. Oh, I got snow on my foot. It's the worst thing when you get snow on your feet. Alright, whoa, what the fuck? So, just got some gas, and it's still kind of snowing, but it's like really like wet right now. It's still like slick on the roads. I've been sliding a bit due to my crappy tires and everything, but freaking I just pumped gas, got in my car, my foot was like soaked, and my Doordash app was buzzing like mad, going off, and I was like, what the so I was like attending to that, and then I hear this honk, and I'm like, I look around, I don't really see anyone. I'm like, is there someone behind me? I mean, my windows, everything's just fogged and covered with snow and ice and everything, so I couldn't really see. And then I just like continued to fix my shoe, get my app ready, get ready to, you know, turn my car, and this guy like drives behind, or to the right of me in this big enterprise truck, and he's like, F you, dude, really, dude, F you. I'm like, oh, sorry, and I just kind of like turned on my car and go. I didn't know there was anybody behind me or anything, but shoot, I mean, there was like 2-3 pumps open, the pump in front of me, the pump to the side. Like, why was he just waiting on me? I didn't even know anybody was behind me. So sorry, dude, if you're out there, you probably don't watch this because you hate me, but I'm sorry. Just dealing with soaked shoe. I got a hole in the bottom of my shoe, so it's my foot's soaked. And then Doordash app glitched. It was like freaking buzzing my phone like a freaking like Amber Alert. I was like, what the heck is this? So I had to attend to that. So sorry, dude. God bless you, and yeah, I'm sorry. Oh. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh, just finished some Doordash, and just went to Sprouts and like try to get some food. I had like the most awkward like interaction with someone. Like, we were both going in the same direction, and I stopped and I'm like, oh, sorry, you go ahead. And then they just kind of like, I was like, okay, like, this is weird. Like, post 2020, like, grocery shopping is like something else. Some awkward social experiment for sure. Oh my gosh. It's like blowing snow now. This sucks. They even have plows? I was just like, this guy was just pulling in front of everybody. Oh, I've got my hazards on, so it's all good. Like, no, dude, you gotta watch out for traffic. These things are loud. Well, I think I'm like halfway there. Destination. 40 miles left on the tank. Slow as heck. Been going 20 miles an hour the whole way. So, oh my gosh. This is like crazy. We're like inching by. I don't know what's going on. Or if it's just like super bad. Almost there. It's been like an hour just for one delivery. Man. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. Not sure what's going on up here and what to do, but this is a pretty big hill. So I imagine people are trying to get through. Hopefully everything works out. Oh my god, guys. We made it. Thank God. Oh man, there's just people the hill was just too hard. Oh man, God bless him, man. I know that the other car was like a truck, that he probably had a better chance than me, but like people are just, yeah, to just like freaking, whatever they teach you in skiing, like penguin it or whatever. Just like up the mountain. That's freaky though when you're in a car. And then this Charger is just hauling like absolute butt because he has rear wheel drive. So he's just hauling butt behind trying to get up. But oh, thank God we made it. God bless those people. I hope they make it somehow. But I'm not, wow. I didn't think this would happen. Like, what the heck? This is like Colorado type stuff, man. And I have to pee, but forget that. It's gonna be like 12 degrees tonight, but I'm just gonna like, I don't know, pee in a bottle maybe? I don't care. Screw it, I'm not going outside. Like 12 degrees tonight, so hopefully yeah, hopefully I can survive. I've got the sleeping bags. I'm gonna have to unbury my car. It's gonna be in a freaking snow casket tomorrow, but I think I'm pretty safe here. Thank God I got out of that. Like, honestly, thank God I got out of that hill. The death hill, the ski slopes. You could just get some skis and like ski down that if nobody was driving on it. It'd be pretty fun, but unfortunately people were trying to, yeah, like people trying to get up on a ski slope with their cars. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. This is crazy. I'm not used to this. It's been a while since I've seen snow, like since Colorado. But yeah, we'll do it. Freaking ice skating rink out. Oh man. 18 degrees, look at that. You can see how bad it is because there's cars right here just left over from last night. They must have like walked or something. I just made it to my destination safely through the ice arena. It's still pretty slick out, but I'm gonna get some work done here and yeah, to recap the night in the vlog, last night was like one of the hardest nights I've had to, one of the coldest nights, I guess. Just bitter cold. Just woke up and like freaking got out of the sleeping bags and just like almost immediate frostbite. Like I still can't feel my feet. So gonna end that here for today, and thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. It was a crazy freaking night last night, but thought I'd get it on vlog, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So be safe out there, lock your doors. If you're doing winter full time, get some winter tires. You'll definitely need them, and you'll thank me. See you. Check it out. I got a freaking apartment-like hotel for the night. Finally a bed.